Hello everyone, my name is Jiskira Singh. You are watching Tech Team. Today we will make a cheap hacking device. With this microcontroller, we will code it with our mobile only. So let's get started. So we will need a smartphone, one nodemcu, one OTG connector and a USB type A wire to make a Wi-Fi hacking device. You have to download an app called ESP8266 loader in your mobile to code it. So to code it, you need to download a file in your smartphone. Let me show you the file. This is the file which I am talking about, ESP8266 I have already coded it in this microcontroller through the app I am talking about, ESP8266 loader. Simply go to the app, click here, choose the file you have to upload, click on this arrow button, and I have not connected any microcontroller, so it is showing this. When you will connect, it will start the coding in it. So let me show you a mini example. So here you can see a network motto. So we will hack this Wi-Fi. So you have to connect the OTG cable to the USB type A cable and it with smartphone and the ESP8266 with the cable. You can see that there was a short blink which shows that it has started. So after the code, you will get a Wi-Fi named pond in your Wi-Fi section. So you have to connect it with your smartphone and search on Google 192.1. Please wait, it is disconnecting again. So you have to search on Google 192.168.4.1. When you will search it, it will open a diode site which will show you a warning that if you use it against any other Wi-Fi, it will be considered as a crime. So let's click on I have understood. Scan here to find Wi-Fi. You will see Wi-Fi motto selected. Click on stations. Go to start. It will start scanning the device is connected. In this process, you may disconnect from the Wi-Fi pond. You have to go again and connect it. It is connected again. So now here you can see there are two IP addresses of the smartphone devices. Select all. It may disconnect again, so you have to connect again. Select the both devices and go to attacks. So we have one devices from which the Wi-Fi motto is connected. So now we will hack this Wi-Fi. So first we will start the beacon. Click on it. Go to number of clones. Click here random. And here you can see in the beacon there are hundreds of fake Wi-Fi. So now we can stop it and start our diode attack. So now you will see that the network motto will disconnect, connect, disconnect, connect again and again. So if I try to connect motto, it will not connect it because I have started the diode attack. It will not connect if you try again and again. So thanks for the watching of this video. If you like the video, like, share, comment. See you in the next video, and remember that this video is only for educational purpose. Thank you.